Good morning, America. Good afternoon, Europe. And good evening, Asia and Pacific. This is the 7th CIRPe Global Web Conference sponsored by the International Academy for Production Engineering. Thanks for staying with us. It is a great honor to welcome you to the opening session of the third and last day of the conference. Like yesterday and on Wednesday, today we are broadcasting this conference live from Berlin, Germany. My name is Pınar Bilge. I'm one of the members of the local organizing committee of the CIRPe Global Web Conference 2019. The series of CIRPe Global Web Conference is hosted by the CIRPe, the International Academy for Production Engineering. Each year, the conference is chaired by a volunteering committee of the CIRPe research affiliates, and it is sponsored by 2 different CIRPe fellows. The content is peer-reviewed by senior CIRPe members and other experts from the field of production engineering. The papers are going to be published in CIRPe Procedia et Elsevier, like in many other CIRPe conferences. The conferencing format of the CIRPe conference series is purely digital, which means that there is no physical conference but only online streams like this one on YouTube. You are now attending the 7th CIRPe Global Web Conference, which stands in a row after 6 previous web conferences which are run since 2019. The nature of CIRPe is a cross-domain research. This thought in the discussions we had at our research affiliates meetings, workshops, general assemblies, winter meetings helped us to develop this year's conference theme. The theme revolves around the question how and why production value stream patterns will shift when data, models, and technology is inferred. Let me outline the innovations we introduced this year. First, we introduced 2 highlighted papers on the first day, right after the opening session. These papers highlighted collaborations among research affiliates and gave perspectives of these groups. Do not worry if you have missed it. All of the videos of the first 2 days are available under the link below on YouTube also after the conference. We had a number of 48 scientific papers which were selected and reviewed on a basis of 113 commenters. We are delighted to introduce an industrial panel session just at noontime in Germany today, where we evaluate all of the research papers from an industry perspective. And as last point, we are live on YouTube for all of the 3 days. So, coming to the industrial session, this is initiated by Oliver Schwabe from Rolls-Royce, and he is keen with innovation management. He is going to organize and moderate this session on live stream 1 at noon German time. The main idea of the industry session is giving a feedback to the authors of the 47 contributions from an industrial perspective. And we are going to discuss the results with a panel of multiple experts. Oliver Schwabe is going to moderate the panel, and he's a visiting fellow at Cranfield University and a member of Rolls-Royce Company, compliance partner for IT in civil aerospace. The guests of the panel are Tanja Misfeld, associate partner from the Global R&D and Innovation Services of the Ernst Young Consulting Company, Fiona Sandler, professor for manufacturing technology at the University of Applied Sciences in Berlin, Rene Wenzel, Head of Project Management in Oberursel from the Rolls-Royce company, Chris Campbell, Project Manager at Rolls-Royce PLC, and Andy Nolan, Chief of Estimation Program Management Function from the Rolls-Royce PLC. Thanks to all of you for joining our conference today. So when we go back to the technical side of the conference, all live streams are broadcasted through this YouTube channel. And individual live streams are scheduled for each conference day. You can follow all of these live streams from the links below. Again, the industry panel discussion is going to be on live stream 1, and after our session today, we are going to ask you to switch to the other live stream. Now you are watching live stream 2. Presentations also today are played as pre-recorded videos, and we are relying on your posts on YouTube live chat, where you can write comments and questions to the authors of the papers during the video presentation. We are gonna collect the questions and discuss them in a live questions and answers session with the authors just right after the paper. If you would like to post your contribution or our conference, please use hashtag CIRPe on any social media channel. Let me briefly give you as next an overview about the conference program. This is the last day of the conference. All videos are available under the link below. And on Wednesday, we had the opening session as well as the presentations of 2 highlighted papers. After that, we had 2 parallel sessions on each stream. And stream 1 has started with the session about shop floor operations and maintenance. After that, yesterday, stream 1 continued with a paper session about form-based processes and metrology. After this, around noon, they've started with the session cutting, grinding, and spindles, which we are going to continue in a second on our live stream, and ended up with the value streams and lifecycle engineering session. Today, they are going to continue with the same session on stream 1. We had on our live stream, at the first day, the paper session about automation, planning, and configuration. Yesterday, we had 12 contributions about robotics, automation, and assembly, as well as different aspects of manufacturing like additive manufacturing, coating manufacturing, hybrid, and incremental manufacturing. Today, we are going to continue with the paper session about grinding. So, today we are going to have 3 papers, and we'll discuss your questions with the authors after each paper. I hope we have earned your privilege of your time so far.